All right. Finally, serious work being done on the front yard. All right. This is after day one. I don't exactly know what's being done, but something's being done. All right, it's happening. More stuff happening. The wall is 4 feet. Okay, this is day day 3. Yay. It's moving on. All right, this is Friday, day 5. All right, day 5, Friday. Okay, today is May 22nd. Yesterday, Siru had somebody else come and complete some stuff. So it's looking like this now. And the wall topper on the front yard is finally complete. Looks like this. All right, this is from inside.